Hello and welcome to Mastering Daily Trading with Eigenfintech. In this guide, we'll walk you through the powerful features of the platform, showing you how to transform pre-market analysis into a structured trading workflow. Whether you're an experienced active trader or looking to sharpen your skills, this tutorial is for you. Your trading day with Eigenfintech begins right here on the Daily Actions dashboard. The moment you log in, this is the first screen you'll see. Think of it as your central hub or mission control for the day. Its purpose is to arm you with crucial market analysis before the trading day officially begins, helping you quickly get a feel for market sentiment and spot potential opportunities. You'll notice a personal greeting, which is part of our user-friendly approach. The dashboard is intelligently organized into 4 key sections, and all the data is refreshed for you every morning around 4 a.m. Eastern Time. Let's dive into what these sections show you. The first section gives you a daily actions snapshot. This is your high-level overview of market sentiment for the coming day. As you can see, it covers a range of asset classes, from US and Canadian stocks to ETF, cryptocurrencies, and Forex. The key feature here is the visual breakdown between long and short percentages. In just a few seconds, you can gauge the overall suggested market direction for each category, giving you an immediate sense of where the momentum might be. Next, we have the 14 Days Actions Snapshot. While the previous section showed you today's outlook, this one provides historical context. Using a simple bar chart, it displays the breakdown of long versus short actions over the past 2 weeks for your selected asset classes. This is incredibly useful for analyzing recent trends. You can easily see if today's sentiment is a continuation of a pattern or a significant shift, helping you identify trends and reversals over the short term. The third section is Top Active Assets. This is where Eigenfintech helps you pinpoint specific opportunities for the day. Based on our analysis, this area highlights assets that are showing significant activity or trading interest. For each asset listed, you'll see its symbol, the suggested action, either long or short, and a count. This count is a metric that indicates the level of activity or the strength of the signal for that asset. It's a quick way to see which assets are most noteworthy at the start of your day. Finally, we arrive at the Current Actions and Details section. This table offers the most granular view on the dashboard. Here, you can filter all the suggested actions by market, asset, and whether the action is long or short. You get specific details for each potential trade: the market, symbol, suggested action, current price, and a metric called number of action. We'll explore this metric more in the next slide, but it's a key indicator of signal strength. Notice you can sort the list by this metric to prioritize the strongest signals. And importantly, for any action that interests you, the Show Details button is your gateway to a much deeper analysis. So, how do you use this information to make trading decisions? Let's focus on that key metric, the number of action. Think of this number as a confidence score from our analysis engine. A higher number indicates a stronger signal or tendency towards the suggested direction. For example, on the screen, the stock EGI has a number of action of 8 for a short position, which suggests a strong signal. Conversely, a lower number suggests a weaker signal. This makes the Daily Actions page a powerful first step. When you find a signal that looks promising, your next move is to click Show Details to investigate the why behind the suggestion. Clicking Show Details brings you here, to the Detailed Analysis screen. This is where you find actionable metrics for risk management. Eigenfintech provides suggested stop loss, or SL, and take profit, or TP, levels for the action. For the EG short trade, we see a suggested SL at 358.45 and a TP at 316.31. These are crucial for defining your exit strategy. Below that, you can see the performance of the underlying trading strategies that flagged this action. You can review key metrics like CAGR, the Sharpe ratio for risk-adjusted return, the historical success rate, and expectancy. By comparing these metrics across different timeframes, you can see which strategies have historically performed best. For an even deeper dive, the Go to Backtest button will show you the strategy's full historical performance. It is crucial to understand that Eigenfintech provides sophisticated market analysis, not explicit trading signals or financial advice. Our engine generates these insights based on historical data and proven strategies. Your role as a trader is to use this powerful information as a starting point. Combine our analysis with your own knowledge, research, and risk management. Use the number of action, the suggested SL and TP levels, and the strategy metrics to conduct your own due diligence. Always ask if a potential trade fits your personal trading plan. The ultimate decision to place a trade rests solely with you. So, how can you test these insights without risking real capital? With our paper trading feature, Eigenfintech allows you to create virtual portfolios to simulate trades. This is a risk-free way to test the effectiveness of the actions you find on the dashboard. You can easily set up a new portfolio, link a paper trading account with an initial virtual balance, and start tracking your performance. When you see an opportunity, simply enter it into your paper trading portfolio. This allows you to monitor the results in a live market, gain confidence in using our analysis, and refine your own approach before ever putting real money on the line. Beyond the dashboard, you can perform deep dives on any asset using the Live Strategies page. This is where you can investigate how numerous different trading strategies perform on a specific stock, ETF, or currency you're interested in. Simply select the market, the asset, and the trading interval. A quick but important note on intervals. Shorter intervals like 15 minutes or 1 hour are typically used in high-frequency trading, which is best left to professionals. For daily trading, we recommend focusing on the one-day interval. Once selected, Eigenfintech presents analysis from up to 25 different strategies, showing you how different algorithmic approaches view that asset. You can sort these strategies to see which are most active and use the Show in Chart button to visualize their historical signals directly on the price chart. For each strategy on the Live Strategies page, you get a comprehensive set of performance metrics. This table gives you a complete picture of a strategy's historical behavior on that specific asset. You'll find metrics related to profitability such as total profit, profit factor, and average win. You'll see metrics for risk like maximum drawdown, MDD, and the Sharpe and Sortino ratios. And you'll find metrics on consistency like success rate and the longest win streak. Analyzing these numbers helps you determine if a strategy's historical performance aligns with your personal risk tolerance and trading goals. And just like before, the Go to Backtest button is always there for the complete trade-by-trade history. The Eigen Fintech workflow: analyze, validate, trade. So let's bring it all together into a simple, powerful workflow. Step 1. Identify. Start on the Daily Actions dashboard to get a broad market overview and identify assets with strong signals. Step 2. Deep dive. Move to the Live Strategies page for your chosen asset. Analyze the performance metrics to find a strategy that has performed well historically and fits your style. Step 3. Validate. Use a paper trading account to simulate trades based on your findings. Track your performance in a risk-free environment to build confidence. Step 4. Evaluate and implement. Once you're satisfied with your simulated results, you can then consider implementing the strategy with your live brokerage account. This is a continuous cycle. By repeatedly using this process of analyzing, validating, and evaluating, you can constantly refine your approach and adapt to changing market conditions. Your journey with Eigenfintech is fully supported. For detailed information on any feature or metric we discussed, our comprehensive documentation is always available. Be sure to visit the Eigenfintech blog for market insights, platform updates, and educational articles. And finally, if you ever have a question, our support team is here to help. Just use the Contact Us option within the platform. Thank you for watching. We're excited to have you on board and wish you the very best in your trading.